Hey dear fellow gardeners, welcome to our channel. Today we're counting down the top 7 easy and fast flowers to grow from seed. Perfect for beginners. These annual flowers will add a pop of color to your garden in no time. Let's get started.
Marigolds. Coming in. At number 1, we have marigolds. These bright and cheerful flowers are not only easy to grow, but they also repel pests that can harm your other plants. Sow them directly in the ground after the last frost and enjoy their vibrant blooms all summer long.
Zinnia. Next up at number 2, we have zinnias. With their diverse colors and shapes, these flowers are perfect for cut arrangements. Plant them in well-draining soil and make sure they get full sun. They're a great choice for adding a splash of color to your garden. 3 sunflowers. At number 3, we have sunflowers. These statuesque flowers can grow up to 12 feet tall and produce edible seeds that birds and humans alike love. Plant them in a spot with full sun and enjoy their towering beauty. 4. Cosmos. Number 4 is cosmos. With their delicate feathery foliage and beautiful blooms, these flowers are a great addition to any garden. They're also great for attracting butterflies and other pollinators. 5. Nasturtiums. Coming in at number 5, we have nasturtiums. These trailing flowers are perfect for containers or hanging baskets. Plus, their flowers are edible, making them a great choice for salads and other dishes. 6. Pansies. At number 6, we have pansies. These colorful flowers are perfect for containers or borders. They're relatively low maintenance and can thrive in cooler temperatures. And finally, at number 7, we have snapdragons. These tall, colorful flowers are perfect for borders or cut arrangements. They're also great for attracting pollinators and adding a playful touch to your garden. That's it for today's video. We hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more gardening content. Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next video.